Here, at Sabine Pass, the first LNG export terminal in the U.S., liquefied natural gas is waiting to be shipped out from the Louisiana coast.
Cheniere has spent more than a decade and upwards of $20 billion to turn 1,000 acres of swampland into one of the largest industrial energy facilities in North America. And these are your trains.
Yes, these are our liquefaction trains. That's train 2 right in front of you. Our gas comes in here, and then it goes down between these 4 trains. That train is really just a big refrigerator.
The gas runs through a mile of steel pipes and refrigeration systems organized into metal racks. The racks are like the ones in the back of your fridge, but these are 500 feet wide and a quarter of a mile long.
It goes across a valve, it reduces pressure, and it gets colder. It gets down to minus 260 degrees Fahrenheit.
The gas goes in, LNG comes out in less than 5 minutes, smaller and lighter. Once the nat gas is liquefied, it's pumped into storage tanks 85 feet tall and 145 feet wide. Then it's ready for shipment.
We have our 2 jetties, 4 loading arms each. Vessels pull up, we connect the 4 arms, 3 are for liquid, 1 is for vapor, and we load the ship.
And ships anywhere in the world. Cheniere is betting the farm that U.S. LNG exports will take off. The company started as an import terminal, switched gears in 2010, and has never made a profit. Still, other companies are playing catch-up, with over 24 projects currently being proposed to U.S. regulators. Here's the problem. Since Cheniere broke ground on its first train, global liquid natural gas prices are near record lows and all trading around the same price, making U.S. LNG less competitive.
It's clear that the interest in long-term contracts has declined over the last 12 to 18 months. And that's largely because of what's happened to the spot price. The second factor is many of our customers have been contracted or well contracted for the next several years. So they don't feel that they need to necessarily belly up to the bar and start signing long-term contracts.
80% of Sabine Pass's capacity is contracted to buyers who pay whether or not they take the gas. In fact, when all 5 trains are up and running, Cheniere is going to make $2.9 billion a year for 2 decades. The goal is to build 6 of these trains, right? Are you still on track for 6?
Right now we've permitted all 6. We've got 5 in construction. We have yet to commercialize the 6th one, but it is permitted and ready to go as soon as we commercialize it.
What are you waiting for to make that call?
Contracts.
Cheniere is also constructing 2 trains in Corpus Christi in Texas and is waiting on the final decision to build a 3rd.
I feel like we will be able to do something in 2016 or 2017. And the reason I say that is because Corpus Christi 3 is already partially sold. So we're really pushing hard to really try to complete that project.
Something Credit Suisse doesn't think will happen. The bank recently removed the 3rd train in Corpus Christi from its viability list as the world drowns in LNG.
You know, from my perception, where I have to sit, I think the glass is half full as opposed to the glass is half empty. So even within the last 3 or 4 months, or going back even to 2015, what we're seeing are new participants coming into the marketplace.
Cheniere and its competitors have the potential to change the dynamics of the global LNG market and provide cheaper, faster gas to places like Europe, long dependent on Russia for its supply. And Cheniere has a lot to prove, hoping to post its first annual profit ever in 2017.